Hi MVP families, it's Mikey here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a slicked back, center parted, low bun on fine straight hair. Begin by parting the hair down the middle. Then, put gel on the front part of the hair. We didn't have any gel while filming the tutorial, so Emily is using edge control gel, which is incorrect. Use regular gel for fine straight hair. Use a smoothing brush or a brush with thick bristles to quickly smooth down the hair. Brush and smooth out the hair once again, especially the back, before putting it into a low ponytail. Now, time for the bun. You'll need a hairnet that matches your dancer's hair color, as well as open bobby pins that match their hair color, instead of the regular closed bobby pins. I recommend getting hairpins made especially for dancers because those are stronger than ones from the drugstore. Twist the hair while wrapping it around the base of the ponytail. Make sure to keep the twist tight throughout. Next, stick a bobby pin into the hair tie. Repeat these steps until all the hair is pinned into a bun. As you can see here, I am pushing the bobby pin into the bun and hair tie first before hooking it under and pushing it in. Next, take your hairnet and wrap it around the bun. You can also add another hair tie before or after this step if you feel the bun isn't secure enough. Ask your dancer where they think the bun is still loose and add more bobby pins accordingly. Add more gel to the back of the head if there are any bumps. Brush it as close to the bun as possible. Use regular bobby pins to keep the extra hair down. Finish it off with hairspray if you'd like. That's it, we're done. I have suggested products linked in the description box below if you're interested. Thanks for watching!